everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Chef Christy, and today I took a trip to Ohio's Amish country. I'm doing a nice grocery haul here. I'm going to show you some of my favorite stores, so come along with me.
$2.29 a pound. Home is four-something a pound.
So the first stop was at Walnut Creek Cheese. However, they have so much more than just cheese. It is a full grocery with a market. They have bulk food and baked goods. So let me show you everything that I've got there. Okay, I had to stock up on my popcorn, so I got this yellow baby tender popcorn and also this Amish blue popcorn. I like both of those really well. And then we love this butter salt. We use this so much and we were completely out, so we definitely had to get some more of that. Then their dried fruits are a very good price. We've got the banana chips, and then I got some pitted dates. I love the natural peanut butter. There's no sugar added, it's just straight peanuts that's ground. I love this, it is so good. And I got my dad some raisin fry pies. That is something that he loves. I got my son Ben a huge bag of sunflower seeds. He loves those. And I got some of these buttered toasted peanuts. I got a frozen bag of rhubarb. I'm going to be making something, hint, hint, really soon with this rhubarb. They also have the amazing smoked sausage. We love to have these with peppers and onions. This is our absolute favorite, so I got that there. And then also I got my birch beer. It's like root beer. It's a little bit different, but I absolutely love it, so I got that. So the second stop was at Hershberger's Farm and Bakery. And Hershberger's have a very nice little area. It's like a petting zoo where you can go in and feed the farm animals and pet them. And they have one of the absolute largest, I believe it's a Belgian Clydesdale horses that I have ever seen. And he has been there for years. It's just a fun area, and I literally went in just for the fry pies. They have loads of baked goods, but these are our favorite. So I got some fry pies. next stop was at Hillcrest Orchard, and they are kind of known for their large variety of apples that they have there. I will usually go in the fall to get the apples. I was pleasantly surprised that they actually had my very favorite, which is Mutsu, and I have never seen these apples anywhere before other than at Hillcrest Orchard. I absolutely love them. They make the best pies and fried apples. They're kind of a cross between, I would say, a Granny Smith and a Golden Delicious. They are a tart, crisp apple, perfect for baking. I also saw that they had some beautiful looking peaches, so I got a few peaches. And then they have my very favorite apple cider. This apple cider has no sugar and no preservatives added. It is also not pasteurized, so it's just very, very fresh. I love the apple cider. And I also got some sorghum, and then I got some raw apple cider vinegar. So the next stop was at a tiny little bakery called Miller's Bakery. Now it's off the beaten track. You kind of have to know that it's there. They have amazing baked goods, but I went especially for these cheese tarts. I've kind of had a couple, I will say, but they are so good. And they come in so many different flavors. Honestly, I just like the plain cheese the best. And they're beautiful, delicious, and they make them better than anybody.
Here at Guggisberg Cheese, they have a lot of imported items such as mustards and condiments, jams and jellies, just a whole bunch of really good items. And then look at this large variety of smoked cheeses that they carry.
Next stop was Guggisberg Cheese. They have a large variety of good quality cheeses. If you love cheese, this is the place to go. I think it is the best cheese shop in the area. That's just my opinion. And I got some Swiss cheese and some farmer's cheese. And they also have a large selection of meats, like cured meats like pepperoni and salami, and I got these smoked salami nuggets as well.
Yeah, I know, but look how big they are. Right there's a Cajun crab dip. What's that?
And at Troyer Country Market, I got these beautiful looking hot dog buns. I got my favorite spiced peaches. I love these. These make an excellent cobbler. And then they had some Cajun crab dip that I thought looked really, really good. And I also got some white American cheese there. This is what I use when I make my queso blanco, is white American cheese. And I got that at Troyer. next stop was at the Ashrae bulk food store, and this is probably one of my very favorite stores. I will go and get all of my baking supplies, my spices. They just have such a good selection. So let me show you everything that I got there. Okay, and I got some whole grain crackers, and the only spice that I really needed was these dried chives. I really like to use these, so I got some of those. I love their salsa, and my favorite is the peach. Then I got some brown rice, some high gluten flour. This is the best. I love this when I make pepperoni rolls or pizza crust or bread. This flour works the best. Then I got some of this cocoa powder. I love theirs. It is just outstanding. I also got some chicken base and beef base. Both of these are without MSG. And then I got some honey and some snacks. I love ginger snaps. My husband likes their different mixes. So I got some of this, some peanut butter filled pretzels, and then this delicious peppered bacon. And our final stop was at Lehman's, and I think of Lehman's as like an Amish department store. It is huge. They have a whole department of kitchen, of pots and pans and baking utensils, anything that you need. Lehman's has it. That is where I got my 12-inch cast iron skillet, was at Lehman's. They have baked goods and bath and body and toys and tools and camping gear, you name it, they have it. And what I got at Lehman's was my favorite dish rags here. I love these. I needed a couple more. And also this beautiful wooden spatula spoon. I wanted another one of these as well, and I got that at Lehman's. So thank you so much for watching my Amish grocery haul. I hope that you enjoy just seeing the things that I get when I go. And don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up and let me know that you like this video. I am putting out recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So if you hit that notification bell, you'll know as soon as I upload a new video. And I will see you soon with more recipes.